gonna be able to leave by 9:30.
Can you see that? It's snowing and it's sunny. Like, what on earth is happening right now? Where is the snow even coming from? Ah, you can see it up there. Okay, I'm headed to Chicago. My cousin Chris is in Chicago for work, and he asked if any of us wanted to come hang out. I said, sure. I have no clue what we're gonna do, but I'm thinking we're gonna do some drone flying. Are you thinking that? I'm thinking that. I'm using Waze right now. I don't know if you can tell, but there is a long line of cars on the highway right now. And this is the first time that Waze has rerouted me, and it seems to be working very well. So, just a heads up, Waze is excellent, and it works. Okay, I have arrived. Whoa. Feels weird to not be moving anymore. Vlog, this is Chris. Chris's vlog.
Oh, hello. We're gonna go get being lunch. Recorded.
I do that to a lot of people.
At the Mitsuo Marketplace.
Look at this place. I feel like I'm in Japan again.
This store is interesting because they have like, it's like a food court and then a grocery store, but there's furniture and DVDs and
man.
like it's like Japanese Walmart.
I bet they have some cool stuff in there. We gotta check it out.
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know.
The food is utterly delicious. I don't know how it compares to other places, but as far as I'm concerned, this is excellent katsu curry.
Okay, Chris is gonna give this pickled radish a try.
Do it with some rice for balance. It's good.
You never knew BCs. BCs are like. I think we're in Gary Busse Forest Preserve. It's not Gary Busse, it's Busse Forest Preserve. But I think they have elk, and you can see the elk right here. You're not supposed to feed them, so it's a good thing I don't have any food. You know, it's funny because when you said you were in Chicago, I didn't expect
to see elk.
Yeah, I didn't expect it. Here, you pump this.
I bet water comes out.
Does it feel like it's...
I'm at 10, I'm gonna go to 20 and then I'm gonna stop. Now in the corner of my eye, I thought I saw a drip.
Huh.
I don't think that's attached to anything.
Interesting. I don't know if this is actually the route. This could be the route to go get chopped up.
I'm in.
So
hopefully we don't meet any murder hobos.
We'll see. So we took this back road, and there's this main highway here. Now we can either go back or we can follow the road. But if we follow the road, we might die.
Adventure time.
It's a toss-up. What are we gonna do?
I think we should check it out.
We could call an Uber.
Laziest hikers ever.
Or we could try to cross and then see if that one goes over that way. We'll think about it. Okay, we're going back the same way we came because there's a lot of cars there. After 18 years of walking, we are back. Are your hands like?
No.
I can barely move them. They're like, the tendons are frozen.
Should invest in some body fat.
Chris, where are we going?
Highland Park, Illinois.
I
To
think so.
Fort
Sheridan.
Sheridan?
Sheridan.
Okay.
I've been here once before, and it was reasonably entertaining. And that's the bar that we're reaching for today.
Reasonable entertainment, and it'll also get us more than 5 minutes from the hotel, which will be good for my sanity.
And this is on the edge of Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan?
Lake Michigan.
Apparently the lakeshore access is closed. So we're going to take to the skies. Okay, well, my phone just died. That's interesting. So we're gonna have to do a manual landing. Oh, you gotta land it. No, I could go run under it and grab it and turn it off. Oh, there it goes.
I held the power down.
It's still spinning.
It's speeding back up. There it goes. Yeah, that was amazingly fun.
Already.
That was, yeah, that was the best thing I've done in like weeks. Oh my God. I'm buying that. like I don't want to mess around and like, look, I want that experience for myself in the mountains soon. I said, Robby just spent $600 over future money. We're getting a drone. Amazing. Perfect stability, 4K video.
I don't know why it turned off. This has got 9% battery. That's weird.
I was pretty nervous when I first started flying it, and then I felt more confident and more confident, and then the phone turned off, and then I was terrified.
Okay, are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm getting there.
I'm
gonna do dinner.
Yeah, let's do it. He is having
my
a
guitar.
religious experience right now.
I'm an RC hobby nerd, yeah, so I'm gonna go sell my RC truck for about $200 and my PlayStation, and then I got a drone tomorrow. Like, hey, I'm starting to swamp up here.
Oh, baby. Chris, I'm gonna have to say you're largely responsible for the choices, so good job.
Thank you. You are soon going to change your present line of work. I just got a new job. I hope not.
You have a deep appreciation of the arts and music. That is true. Okay, I'm just about to head home. It was great seeing you, Chris. That was lots of fun. Check out this moon. 3-hour drive home, debating on whether I'm getting coffee. I don't need it. I'm very awake and alert. It just sounds like fun to drink coffee, so. Some nuts. I got cashews. So this is what the windmill farm looks like at night. Just a sea of red lights blinking.
I just realized that today is the same day that it was when I started filming today. Long day. Going to bed. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Actually, no, we gotta take a look. What on earth is this? I'm honestly not sure what that is. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, that's a third of it. It was like this. It took this whole box. Like you can see from the grease stain. It was from here all the way to there. Like it was all of this.
Oh my god.
It was like a football.
You've been here for a week?
Yeah.
So, yeah, Chris is sampling all of the local eateries.
All the local junk food garbage. You will sell my PlayStation tomorrow. Like, are you kidding me?